I want to become a singer. जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी। हे गोविंद गोपाल मुरारी, हे गोविंद गोपाल मुरारी, शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार।
My name is Anil Gupta and I am 22 years old. When I was a 2 years child, I lived at Pandey Ghat. One day, while my mother was washing clothes at the ghat, I was playing in the streets. Suddenly I felt sick and I couldn't say anything. My mother took me in different hospitals for 2 years, but all was in vain. Then my mother came in contact with Pandey Ghat sisters who sent me to Kiran Center. When I reached Kiran, it was at its beginning with only 3 children other than me. After about 4 or 5 years of treatment, I began to improve my health. While my treatment was going on, I have got admission in Kiran school as well as in hostel, and I completed my studies up to class 5th. I love to be in the hostel with the other children. I received good care and love from the hostel's caretakers. Then from class 5th to class 8th, I studied at Bengali Tola. But due to financial problems, I had to stop my further study. After about 2 years of gap, I came back to Kiran for training in the bakery unit. Now, I am working as a production staff in the bakery in Varanasi city. Here, I make cakes, brown bread, biscuits, muesli, cookies, buns, etc. I think Kiran is doing a wonderful work for different able children and youngsters. Kiran trains the youngsters and makes them self-sufficient as well as it gives a status in the society. And I am the perfect example of it. I am proud to be a part of Kiran. Kiran gave me hope, a hope to live. My name is Binod. I didn't do anything when I was a small child. When I was 10 years old, one day an outreach team came from Kiran Center, conducted a camp in my village. During the camp, I went there. The team members of outreach services assessed me and gave me an appointment to come Kiran. Then I went to Kiran for treatment. My treatment took 3 months. After that, I had studied in Kiran up to 8 years. Then I decided to do a training in orthotic workshop. The period of my training was 3 years. I found one post was vacant in orthotic workshop at that time. And Sister Sangeeta, the director, gave me an opportunity to work as an assistant orthotechnician, and presently I am working in the same post. My life is going very well. I am working in Kiran right now and everything going very fine. I have received many helps from Kiran. My responsibility there is to manufacture calipers, braces, and also to purchase local parts from Varanasi city. My other responsibilities are to go for an outreach camp and to take the measurement of the children for calipers there and to give them an appointment to come Kiran and to receive their calipers from there. We provide calipers after final finishing and gait training to the child. Presently, Kiran is working very well, especially for the outreach camp. We conduct the camps for those people who cannot come to Kiran because of the distance. Kiran gives the facilities to the differently able children to stand on their own feet. Really, Kiran is doing a very good job for us. My name is Rajkumar Maurya. I am 35 years old. In 1993, I came in contact with Kiran Center when I came here for a tricycle. They proposed me to do a physiotherapy training course of 2 years. I accepted this course and I started to work here. Initially, we were working only on polio children. Then we noticed there are many CP children who are untreated. So, we also started working on CP children. This training program is very important for Indian children around here. First of all, there is a lack of awareness about the children conditions. Parents don't know what to do with the children. Then there is also the poor economic status of these families. Parents cannot afford the costly investigations and the treatment. I am working here as in charge of Mother's Training Program. This program is focused on training disabled children parents. Parents come here from far off villages and stay here for 5 days. We teach them the ways of handling and positioning the child at home. First 2 days we do assessment and individual planning for each child. Then we do therapy and educational management. We also show parents how to manage the children for activities of daily living like toileting, feeding, brushing, dressing and undressing. On the 5th day, we write all the instructions and suggestions in their notebooks. We also follow them up in outreach camps, PCCU, and CBR. We also provide this training to other NGOs who are working in the same field. At last, I am very proud to be a part of this Mothers Training Program.
I am Manita Rai, 28 years old. When I was a child, I got fever in 1.5-year-old. Then my right leg was not active. I became crippled. When I was 13-year-old, CBR worker Sister Angelica from Kiran came to our village talking to my parents to make better future for my life. She brought me to Kiran Center for the treatment. My right leg was operated. Then they plastered it for 3 months. After removing the plaster, my leg became straight. Then they made a caliper for me. I was appointed to work in handicrafts for the Kiran City shop. At that time, Maria Didi, who was staff in Kiran, left her job and started a new project which is called the Income Generation Program for the Differently Able Women. So I got a chance to work there. My work is to make handicrafts. I am happy to earn my living independently. Kiran is doing a marvelous work. People who are unable become able. They educate every child according to their ability and talents. They are well trained to manage their life by themselves. I think in India there are so many struggled ones who will need to be cared. Like me, I hope every child will reach out to the society.
My name is Santosh Patel and I am ex-student of Kiran Center. I had a polio in my lower limb when I was 4 years old. I came to know Kiran Center through camp which was conducted in my village. Then I went to Kiran Center first time for treatment with my uncle and later I got admission in class lower kindergarten. During my study, I received physical exercises regularly. After passing 5th class, I got admission in class 6th in my village school. There I was not so happy as the situation of my village school was not so good and also the condition at home was not much supportive due to poor financial situation. Anyhow, I had completed my 8th class from village school. I didn't want to continue my further studies. Therefore, I started my own business to open a grocery shop with the help of Kiran. As I had received first time a loan of rupees 5,000 through microcredit program. It helped me a lot. Now, my income increased gradually. Then again, I opened a battery shop and purchased a tractor. But I never forget to pay back the loan amount to Kiran. I was very much inspired from Kiran. It was my dream to spread the love and peace which I had received from my school days here. In year 2012, I had started a school for a very poor children from lower KG to class 5th with very minimum fees so that they can afford it easily and it going very well. I am very much inspired from Sister Sangeeta as she did lot for me like a mother and always teaches me the importance of education and to love the weaker one. Therefore, I too want to spread this message among the people to love and respect each and everyone.
I want to become a singer.
I want to become a teacher. I want to become a dancer. I want to become a bank manager. I want to become an engineer.
I want to become scientist.
I want
I want
to become President of India.
Thank you.